Is your baby having trouble sleeping? Try this sound, just like what they heard in the womb. The womb sound is a combination of heartbeat and soft fluid movement. It reminds your baby of the safety and comfort of being inside you. Babies feel calm and secure when they hear this familiar rhythm. It helps reduce crying and promotes deeper sleep. Play this sound softly during naps or bedtime. Keep the volume low, just enough to be heard over other noise. Sometimes, all your baby needs is a little reminder of your heartbeat. Give them peace, just like when they were inside.